Standby is one of the best new features of iOS 17. It can turn your iPhone into a nightstand clock, but better. It's one less gadget to buy. Although I think I need a better stand. Here I'm using the Pocket Tripod. It's good, but that's supposed to be in my wallet. There's a separate Photics TV video about that topic. This video is about getting Standby to work. So, before you go smashing your iPhone, there are some important things to know. First, Standby doesn't work if the phone is not charging. So, if your phone isn't going into standby, try plugging it in. Quality tech support here. That is the most common problem, though. Also, the phone needs to be stationary. In other words, not moving and horizontally orientated. I tried it in portrait mode, and it didn't work. I wonder what that means for astronauts. Do they use iPhones in space? Anyway, another problem is that this is iPhone only. It doesn't work on iPad. At least, not when this video was created. I tried searching for Standby in the Settings app, and no results were found. One more thing, if you don't like your Standby widgets being shown in red, you can turn off the night mode setting. Standby makes the iPhone even more useful. I'm surprised it works on my iPhone SE 2nd generation. The screen does go to sleep though. That's not a problem. I can just tap the screen to get a quick glimpse of the time, and then go back to sleep. Hopefully this information helps you out, and thanks for watching.